Have you watched Rose, the current blockbuster movie? Rose had a school-time boyfriend and a very brutal, harsh auntie. And a rich family who wanted their American educated son to marry a lady from their tribe. Watch Rose's Aunt Quench for Money. Rose, our new release that will really thrill you all the way through and leave you agape at the end. Finally, Rose married this brute. Their house became a battlefield. Produced and distributed by JKN Productions. Oh, an innocent lady experienced this kind of brutality. Her mother was not spared either.
Please, the Kedemone or Dagikemo.
Oh, you drama kia.
You have never witnessed this kind of brutality before.
Hey, Tom.
Was this her man, really? At least this is what was her future dream. Now the brute regrets his action. Oh, then down on his knees he apologizes. Now buy it, watch it, see it. Utaipenda. Come on, put on your boots and run for your copy now. You can't miss it. Have you watched Mami, an inspiring and educative film? Mami, the movie that is the talk in every household. The story began like this. A motherly advice. A mother's love for money and tongue of fire. But they wedded all the same. Upon promises of sweet and happy future. And happy they were. They went everywhere together. Bought presents to each other. Ate together happily. Small differences notwithstanding. This is where the problems began.
Okay, hesiati. No soke okay go re karatu kega. Ina ratu wangu getinya iro. Sidawaje. Nwede pe mai not.
Ni ndimwendete.
Oh, mother-in-law, what are you saying?
Angikoro ni omwendete ri. Ona ndire mukuru. Na angikoro no wende witi. No twende kanyumba. Atauga api. Oigata mami gwako.
And watch this. All the promises are broken. Who is to blame?
John.
Nidrona mahejia makona. Niki kiumula we mami.
Marketed and distributed by JKN Production, Simla House, Tomboya Street. Cell phone 0722643175. Now, who is to blame? Mami, the movie you will enjoy to the end. Look at this family confrontation.
Gadoni, ninyo kwa urari yoguo. Nyukwa wao. Wendo gero uko wenyina wa mundu ona hanini. Thikiriria na mato maku ku. Digatikira ona makaro. John.
And it ended this way. Hey, get your copy now. You won't